Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you are watching Digitwise. In this video, I am going to show you how to change the default audio player on Mac. Whenever you double click a file in Finder, macOS automatically opens it with an application that's associated with that particular file type. If your audio files are opening in an app you don't want to use, you can change that association and choose your preferred audio player instead. This is useful when you regularly work with local audio files and want them to open in the same player every time without having to use Open With manually. If you want to change the default audio player, here's what you need to do. Open Finder and locate an audio file that you want to use for changing the default player. Right-click the file and select Get Info. In the Info window, find the Open With section and click the drop-down menu. You'll now see the application currently associated with this type of audio file. Select the audio player you want to use instead. After selecting your preferred player, click Change All. macOS will ask you to confirm that you want to use this application to open all files of this type. Confirm the change to apply it. Now go back to Finder and double click another audio file of the same type. It should open automatically with your newly selected default player. Remember that this change is based on the file type. So if you regularly use different audio formats, such as different file extensions, you may need to repeat these steps for each format you want to associate with your preferred player. So if this video helps you in any way, do like it and subscribe to the channel.